In this video, I'm making my Cocoa energy bars. I say mine, but I did find this recipe online. It's definitely very tasty, this one, so it's pretty good to make. Consists of about 300 grams of cashews, about 50 odd grams of almonds, 300 grams of dates. Suggested is medjool, but you can use standard. A pinch of salt, about 75 grams of cacao powder or cocoa. I'm using cacao powder. 2 tablespoons of vanilla essence, and basically blend that all up and mix it all together. Add a little bit of water, a couple of teaspoons if you're using medjool dates. If you are using normal dates like I did, you probably need a bit more than that, so just go by feel. Once you've got the mixture, you just pat it all down into a tin, put it in the fridge. About half an hour later, it will all be melded together, be nice and cool. It tastes delicious. Have a go, check it out, it's great.